Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing a dual tip exhaust system on the 2021 Bronco. Let's take a look at what's in the kit. Be sure to print out your installation instructions available at shopmrt.com. They're on the product page. Included in this kit will be 2 parts for the dual system and 1 band clamp. To do the job, you'll just need 1 15mm socket and some elbow grease. We start with putting it on the tube first. Another tip would be to leave these on the actual tips so you don't scuff the surface while you're trying to install. We'll take that off later. Get things loosely fit so we can take more time adjusting later. So we're all set now. Make sure to manipulate that Y joint and the other clamp joint as well to manipulate the tip. There is a lot of movement there, and it could be helpful to have a buddy to hold one side while you tighten to just ensure your tips are aligned. It should have a kind of a natural downward angle, and it can be a little deceiving on the driver's side with the license plates section there. It's a different design along the rear of the bumper. But this is an installed King of the Hill dual tip Bronco.